100% nylon. Toddler-sized kids bookshelf displays books with covers facing forward for easy identification. 4 deep fabric storage pockets stow reading books, board books, coloring books and magazines of all shapes and sizes. Sturdy engineered wood construction is easy to assemble and clean. Includes all hardware. Ideal for children aged 3 and up. Space-saving design. Assembled dimensions: 25W×11D×24H. Assembled weight: 7 pounds. Neutral, compact design fits into any room or environment. Perfect for book storage in your toddler's bedroom, playroom, nursery, or the living room. Top reviews from the United States. Small but awesome. Why kids have a ton of books. That being said, when this arrived I was completely disappointed. I decided to give it a shot anyway and immediately changed my mind upon filling it. It actually holds a surprising number of books. All of their favorites. My youngest toddler is incredibly destructive and I was a little worried she'd try to climb on it, but thus far, she's realized its purpose and had left it at that. Small victories. Totally happy with it.